Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing audio out-of-sync issues while watching Hulu, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the sound delay problem. Step 1. Pause the Hulu content you are watching and wait a few seconds. Resume playback to see if the audio sync issue resolves automatically. Step 2. Close the Hulu app or browser completely and reopen it. Sometimes refreshing the player can fix temporary audio synchronization problems. Step 3. Check if the audio sync issue occurs with other Hulu content. If only one title is affected, the problem may be with that specific video. Step 4. Restart your streaming device completely by turning it off and unplugging it for 30 seconds. This clears temporary system issues affecting audio. Step 5. Check your device's audio settings and disable any audio enhancement features, such as surround sound or audio processing, that might cause delays. Step 6. If using external speakers or a soundbar, check the connection and try adjusting the audio delay settings on your audio device to compensate for lag. Step 7. Update the Hulu app to the latest version by visiting your device's app store. Outdated apps may have bugs affecting audio synchronization. Step 8. Test Hulu on a different device to determine if the issue is device-specific. If sync problems persist across devices, contact Hulu support for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.